Hello, I'm Professor Connell. I'm the chair of the School of Business. We have majors in business administration, marketing, economics, and accounting. Our school has a good reputation. Our alums frequently call and ask for the names of upcoming graduates. Our students get good internships and they get jobs quickly.
Hi, I'm Tom Prince. I teach marketing here at Monmouth College as part of the marketing major. We teach marketing saying that we have to look at the value proposition and what marketing really does. All things are marketed. Soil, dirt, air, oxygen is marketed somehow, somewhere. So marketing fills people's needs. They satisfy needs. But finding the right audience, saying the right thing, and being genuine is critically important. If we're going to market, we need to be honest, we need to have integrity, and we need to solve problems.
Hi, I'm Marnie Fieldman, and I teach accounting here at Monmouth College. Our graduates are not just getting jobs, they're launching careers with top firms such as Caterpillar and RSM and PricewaterhouseCoopers. And our students excel beyond academics. They are involved throughout campus as athletes, as musicians, and club leaders. And through this, they're gaining confidence, teamwork skills, and those lifelong connections that lead them towards a successful future.
Hi, I'm Dick Johnston. I teach business and economics courses here at Monmouth College. One thing I want all of my students to leave my courses knowing is the prosperity that free markets have created here in the United States.
My name is Saadullah Bashir, and I'm a professor in the School of Business here at Monmouth College. And one thing I would like you to know about our business administration major is that we teach practical skills that will really help you when you go out and get a job.